how to download Disney Plus movies on iPhone. First, let's open Disney Plus app. If you don't have it yet, download it from App Store. First of all, let's make sure we have Disney Plus Standard or Premium plan, as the Standard with ads plan does not support downloads. You can check this by clicking your profile picture and going to Account. Under Subscription, you can see your current plan. If you have Standard or Premium plan, you can download movies. Another thing before downloading, let's set the video quality. Click your profile picture again and click App Settings. Here, under Downloads, select whether you want to download over Wi-Fi only or with mobile data as well. And then select the video quality. You can choose high, medium, or standard quality. After this, let's start downloading. If you find a movie you want to download, click the download button under the play button. If you find a series you want to download, scroll down to the episodes section. And here, you can download all episodes of the season or a single episode. You can find your downloaded content from the Downloads tab. If you want to remove downloaded content, click the mobile phone icon and click Remove Download. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.